Hi guys, let's create neural network from the scratch. So we're going to use a free library. It would be NumPy, matplotlib for plot loss function, and vectorbt to download data from the Binance. Okay, and firstly we need to understand what is the problem we're going to solve, and I'm going to solve problem of classification. I would like to create free classes and create probability for each of these classes. And you see, we need to use activation function softmax for last layers to create probability. And to check quality of this probability during the training, we need to use cross-entropy. Okay, let's look in on our neural network. And you see, we indicate what is the dimension input and output. Input would be 5 feature, open, high, low, close value, and output would be 3 classes. Okay, firstly we need to create random weight. Next we need to create bias, and there we would be collect our loss function. Okay, so forward, and you see we return our softmax function to return probability for each classes. And next we need to define loss gradient, and you see, for example, we're going to create predict, and we call this forward function and create probability there. And you see, this is the formula between the random weight plus bias. Next we need to calculate what is the loss function, what is the quality of our prediction to be a loss. And this loss function we are going to append to our empty list to plot this data using matplotlib library. Okay, next we do some processing and training our data, and let's look at what happens there. So here we download data from the Binance, and I'm going to use this feature, open, high, low, close value, and I would like to transform this data to 2D array like this one. When the first this shape, it would be our time series, and 5 it would be a number of our feature. For output would be the same, but we're going to output the 3 classes. Okay, I need to fix this one. It should be, oh okay, yeah, it's correct. 3 classes there, and with 1 value. Okay, yeah, it's correct. Okay, and next we're going to plot these classes to our plot. It would be a very simple problem of machine learning, and you see we split our trained to some labels. Means this would be some minimum, middle, and maximum of the price, and we're going to solve this problem using machine learning to define what is where we exist on this trend. Okay, but firstly we need to scale our data, because neural network very sensitive to value, and our data would be with the same scale. Okay, let's do it. Okay, and firstly I would like to show you about learning rate. Okay, we create this our class with neural network. It would be 5 feature, open, high, low, close value, and 3 classes to output. Okay, so let's train, and let's look in on the loss function to understand what happened there. And you see loss function is not changed. Okay, accuracy, some accuracy is low accuracy, and let's plot. Okay, and you see our neural network is not learning anything. The loss function is incorrect for us, and we need to decrease learning rate, for example, like this one. Okay, and I think our loss function would be decreased. It would be good for us. Okay. Yep. But accuracy is very low, and we need improve our neural network. There exist multiple way how to do it. Firstly, it's provide the correct problem for machine learning, especially of neural network. We could increase our cross-entropy function, add more layers, and add some regularization for calculate loss gradient. And let's do it in the next video.